the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at itayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais din namin ipaalam sa inyo ng paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Calvin D. Mendoza, Officer John Gabriel Melgo, and together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with Cebu Pacific. And also, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins or the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po naming pinaalalahanan ang lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais niyong itapon. Mangyari po lamang na dali ng mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. For guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a serious offense.
Nakapayong sila guys, pero ako hindi na ako magpayong-payong kasi super init. So puntahan namin ang aming luggage. Balik lang yung airport namin dito guys. Lang. Kasi dagat na yun doon guys, nasa baybay yung airport namin. Ay, sumunod sila! So, pasok kami dito guys. Entrance. So, dito kami sa ganito yung buhay traveler guys. Masyado. So, hintay kami ng aming baggage kasi may mga baggage kami. Wala na akong panoy. Ganun da yun? Kapit mag-departures daw. SM. SM. SM daw. Pag-behave. Pag-behave. Behave ka daw.
Mo ba nino?
Pag-aircon, kaya pating tugnawa. Tugnawa. Inita daw. Aircon. Cute.
Ko maybe.
Ha?
Selfie ta. Ito mga video.
Video?
Live.
Oh.